Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your payment methods on Google. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to google.com. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Select Manage your Google account. In the left sidebar, click on Payments and Subscriptions. Then click on Payment Methods. Here you'll see all your saved payment methods. You can add a new payment method by clicking Add Payment Method, or remove an existing one by clicking the three dots next to it and selecting Remove. You can also update payment details by clicking on the payment method itself. Once you've made the necessary changes, your payment methods will be updated accordingly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.